Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am Catherine, this is my channel. I today have my Birchbox unboxing and I can't wait to get in here. If you watched it last month, I'll put the link up here. You know, there were a couple of problems. I got on to cancel it and I discovered that I have a couple of months left. So I am, as I see it, unless something miraculous happens, unless it is a Christmas miracle, I am writing out the last couple of months of my obligation to Birchbox and then I will be canceling. You know, I don't like to do negative on my channel. Everything is positive. I want to keep it all positive. So let me just say, it's not working out for me. I don't feel that for my taste, I am getting the products that I would like to receive for my $15. And last month there was a little sanitary issue. And while they offered to send me a new lippy, I really didn't feel like I wanted another one. Like I said, I'll put the link up. It wasn't horrible, just didn't suit my lifestyle. So I have already taken out of its rip tear box, but haven't opened it. So let's get in and see what I've got. I know, you're super excited now, right? Sorry about that, guys. I will tell you, this month's box is gorgeous. It is really firm this month, and this is what it looks like. And it's so pretty. I really like it. I just went to take the lid off, and it doesn't lift off. Look, it lifts like a book. So it's, oh, guys, is that a picture frame? I think the top, oh, it's meant to be a picture frame so you could turn it into a picture box. Darn you, Birchbox, why can't I quit you? This says, this is for you, the best of you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward, but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss. This is so nice. Oh, I have to edit this one. The kicking butt and taking names you. It doesn't say butt. The you always wanted to be. The you never thought you could be. The you that sits in a mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself because the best you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you. Whew, that had some stuff to say. So on top we had this card and the back of it shows our products and the front of this says, ta-da! As we close out another year, we just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. We know that your life is full and we couldn't be more grateful that you spend a few minutes each month with us. We get to help you find some time for you. We wouldn't be Birchbox without you. Cheers to you in the year to come. The Birchbox team. Well, now don't I just feel horrible saying that I'm done with them? And yet it's true. Okay, let's open this baby up and see what I've got and hope that everything looks as it should. I should tell you that Birchbox, in case you want to know, is a $15 per month subscription. You can sign up for longer time frames and pay less, but if you order monthly, it is $15 per month. They generally do 4 curated boxes per month now where you can just go on, they show you 4 boxes. If you want one of them, you click on it and that's the box they send you. Or they will show you 3 or 4 products and you can pick one of those products and you will get that and then they will surprise you with the rest of the box. Or you could do what I did this month and be completely surprised. I was doing the curated boxes and I didn't feel like it was working for me, so I have gone back to surprise me and this is what we've got. Digging right in. It doesn't look bad. I have a Phase Zero Cotton Candy Blusher. And that is what that looks like. And I'm telling you right now, I'm setting this aside. It is going in a giveaway. You know why? Go ahead, ask me why. Because I already have it. I got this in Ipsy. And actually, the Ipsy one that I received is way big. Well, it's probably just as well because I believe it's broken. Oh, Birchbox, 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 Birchbox. Oh, it is too. Hold on, I'm going to open it over my trash can. This, I'm here to tell you, it has been a very long time since I have had a successful Birchbox. Oh yeah, I'm not, oh no, I can't show you guys this. This is what it looks like. That's the color. But I don't want to open it up and risk getting that all over me, all over my table, all over everything. It is a hot mess. Well, as luck would have it, I already own this color. But it is a nice little blusher that is 2.5 grams, so it is a tiny one. And like I started to say, I think before I realized, I don't know if I finished, this is not a full size. I have this exact blusher from Ipsy, and it's, you know, it's bigger. It's a full size one. Birchbox. Next, we have the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. I think both my daughter and my father enjoy this, so this is fantastic. It is 0.25 fluid ounces, and look how cute it is. It's so cute. It's perfect for travel. Let's open it up and see what's going on inside. Yep, looks perfectly normal. You know it's time to go ahead and unsubscribe from a box when you open it up and go, it's perfectly normal. Yay! Okay, next I have the Model Co. Highlighting Shimmer Whip. That is what the box looks like. Let's see what we got inside. I don't know what Shimmer Whip means. Oh, I kind of thought it was going to be a applicator type situation. This is a cute little tube. So let's go ahead and sample it and see what it looks like. Highlighter Whip. You know what? At first blush, it looked, no pun intended, it looks like the MAC, is it MAC? I think it's MAC. Is it MAC? Strobing, the MAC strobing. This is what this looks like to me. Ooh, it is blinding white silver. It is really pretty. I might work that into my life. I like that. There's not much I like more than a shiny nose. I know. You spend all of your teen years doing everything you can to make anything not shiny. And you hit about 50 and you think, what can I make shiny and look less dry? It just happens. Next, I have the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. And I have an ounce of each. And this is what they look like. I will absolutely, happily try these. I am always looking for a new shampoo. Right now, oh, sealed, yay. Right now I am using a Living Proof in the Restore, and I like it. People talk really nicely about it. I'm using it, and I'll probably finish it, but I'm here to tell you, I feel like when I'm done shampooing my hair, conditioning would not be an option. It roughs up my hair and my cuticles so much that I have got to put a lot of conditioner on there to make my hair smooth at all again. Oh, it smells like the apple. That's kind of fun. It does. It kind of has an appley smell. And Briogeo is generally awesome in the hair products, so yay. Can't wait to try those. I also have the R&Co television hair ready to be used because I did that as an additional selection in my FabFitFun. And last but not least, I have a Cure Welcome to Skin Wellness Incredibly Clear Sheet Mask. And it's BHA, White Willow, and Cucumber. 100% vegan, 0% pretentious. And that is what that looks like. And I realize, holding this in my hand, that I got so wrapped up in all of the other drama of this box that I forgot the card. So let's circle back. We'll start with this one real quick and we'll see if there's anything to say about the other ones. This is a $4.99 sheet mask and it is formulated with acne busting salicylic acid. It is charcoal infused fiber sheet mask. It unclogs pores for a clearer skin. You just put it on your skin for 15 minutes. I tell you what, and I just did this in another video. Let me do it in this one. I don't have acne, so I'm going to go ahead and say, check out our collab. I did a collab with 4 other ladies, Vanessa Beauty, Julie Unboxing, Get This Glowing, and Everything Proof. And we are doing a skincare giveaway. That is my skincare giveaway. And I have just been adding to it periodically, like I do with my other videos. You can just go over to my Spa Day collab video. I say all of the rules and I have them listed down below of what you need to do to enter. And I'll add that to the giveaway. So yay. Let's see if this says anything else we need to know. The Briogeo in full size is $28 each. It is enriched with apple and matcha, so it's kind of like a serving of fruit and veg for the shower. It is sulfate free and is tough on oil buildup, yet gentle on your hair. That would be awesome. The Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream is $30 in its full size, and it's a daily moisturizer which hydrates your skin for a full 24 hours. It is rich without being greasy and absorbs without leaving behind any residue. This says the Model & Co. Highlighting Shimmer Whip is full size, $15. They're not saying that these are full-size product. They're letting you know how much it would be full-sized. Achieve a lit from within look with this liquid highlighter that blends effortlessly into the skin and apply on the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow, etc. It says that the Phase Zero blusher in cotton candy, the full size would be $21. This silky cotton candy pink blush blends into your cheeks for a natural looking flush. Just a touch will brighten your entire face, while more gives you a luminous glow. That is everything I have in my Birchbox. Unfortunately, my blush was broken, so that was the problem in this box this time. Unfortunately, I seem to be running across a few problems with them, but it happens. I will still definitely use this whip. I will definitely pass this along to my daughter or my father, whoever might be in need. I cannot wait to try the shampoo and conditioner. So 3 out of the 5 products really work for me, which is fantastic. I'm going to put the mask in the giveaway for you guys. And so it's just the blusher, the poor, sad, broken blusher. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you are fully enjoying the holiday season, whatever holiday it is that you celebrate, and I will see you really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and go take care of you. Bye, guys.